Psychology shows that most people spend years trying to memorize things the wrong way, and it has nothing to do with effort or intelligence. Stop believing that studying harder will fix your memory. It won't. Let's look at what actually happens inside your brain. Trying to force information through sheer effort is a common mistake. It is time to work smarter. Your brain doesn't record information like a camera. It reconstructs it every single time, much like a crime scene sketch artist. The sketch changes slightly every time it's redrawn. Your memory is a dynamic process of reconstruction. When you reread notes, your brain is just getting comfortable with the feeling of recognition. Recognition is not memory. Researchers found that students who tested themselves instead of rereading retained 50% more information after just 1 week. The testing effect works because struggle is the signal your brain needs to lock something in. No struggle, no storage. How do you put this into practice? It starts with active recall instead of passive review. Close your notes, recall what you read, write it down, and then check. This failing and correcting builds neural pathways. Opening notes feels smart, but closing them feels dumb. Lean into that discomfort. It means your brain is actually working. Every hour of passive review could be 30 minutes of active recall and yield better results. If you've been struggling to memorize, it's not a you problem, it's a method problem. And methods are completely fixable. Starting today, after every lecture, close everything and write down what you remember. Just 2 minutes. Your brain learns through retrieval, not repetition. That is the only rule you need to succeed.